spot for him. Surprised we didn't get any triple foam. I got the silver. Oh, I see. The gold is expensive. I got the gold. And these cars didn't spit out triple foam. That sucks. But it's okay. Alright, thanks for watching. That's a revisit Petit Accutrac 360i here at Mr. Quick Car Wash in South Bethel Park, PA, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Couldn't get their I was trying to get help. I got the silver, I got the gold wash bin come with triple foam, but it's surprisingly didn't spin out, so I'm not sure what happened. And so anyway, it's an alright one, but next time I'm here in this direction, I'll do this one and hopefully get triple foam. But I couldn't get the expensive because I'm on a budget right now with cash and a little battery. Couldn't make a long video. So that being said, the only reason I was doing instruction today is because I had a Miracle banquet to go to, and because I'm one of the players of South Hills Miracle. So that being said, the wash did a nice job. That being said, next time I'm going to do buggy bath revisit, sheets in Bethel Park, and also two others in this direction. So that was their yeah. So next time, hopefully triple foam it works on this bay. And this replaced the Petit Laser Wash G5 along with Petit Tandem. It used to be all wash up on a spot until it got for sale, until it got bought from this company. Popular now. So that being said, thank you for watching. Have a good week.